Hi guys, Mark with Custom Dynamics. Today we're going to be installing some new bag lights, the low profile dual color bag lights on our 23 and a half Road Glide here. You can get them for the Road Glide, Street Glide, and the Street Glide Ultra. They come in smoke, red, and these are dual color. And this will be with our new isolator mount as well, so you won't be throwing any of them codes anymore. So let's, we've installed a bunch of these before, but we're going to have a little fun today. Put these on, clean the bike up. Let's get after it. All right, guys, we're here at the bike. I'm going to remove the seat. I'm going to remove the saddlebags, get them ready, and meet you at the bench. Put on the bag lights, and get back in a minute. All right, guys, I got the bag up on the bench here. The big thing here you want to do is prep work. You want to clean all the areas of where you're going to stick the cable tie holders and cables ties, and of course where we're going to put the bag light itself. Denatured alcohol, clean that up real good. If you have some adhesive promoter, you want to use that, you can do that too. Just so it'll stick and it'll always stay there, but just make sure you prep real good. Another thing I like to do is I put all the cable ties into the cable tie holders like that, just to have them ready and ready to go. So all you want to do is kind of grab one of the little corners here with your cutters or knife or whatever, just peel it off and stick it about right there. These three spots, this will keep it away from the shocks, even if you got aftermarket shocks, and the wire's going to run through there. Same thing with the light. Peel off the red tape. So you want to get about 1 millimeter or so below the line of the bag. Always keep the bag closed. Set it up there like so. Eyeball it. Mark it with a grease pen, whatever you want to do. Then press it firmly. Don't go crazy because you don't want to crack the lens. That's pretty much it for that. And then it will stay. Like I said, I use adhesive promoter so it sticks really well. Then you're just going to want to take the wire and run it through all of the cable ties. Get it, take all the tension out of each location. Don't forget to cut your ends off. Should look something like that. That stays away from shocks and any other moving parts, gets it out of the way. This will obviously plug into our harness once we get to there. That's how it'll look. I'll throw the other one on. We'll go back to the bike. I'll show you the harness, how it plugs in, plug in the lights, and that'll be it for this. All right, we got the seat off, obviously, there. We'll go to the harness, unplug the stock harness. We'll take our ISO harness and run it in line in between it. Real easy. Once we got the left side bag here, then we want the left side plug, which is the violet wire. The right side will be a brown wire. And we simply just want to plug that in there like that. We'll do the same with the other side. Real easy. Once I get the other bag on, I'll go show you the operation of it. All right, got the seat back on, got the other bag on. Show you the operation. Turn the bike on. Comes on as a running light, brake light, also turn signal, and these are sequential. And these are the dual color, so it's in amber. Looks real good, looks real clean. And that's it for the install on our low profile dual color sequential bag lights. Get these at your local Drag Specialties dealer, and of course, CustomDynamics.com.